Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I want to do some fall pumpkins. For the base color, I am using LA Colors and Go Bright. I actually don't have many fall plates, and I was kind of hoping they would go ahead and bring some out with Maniology, but I'm going to go to this one, M520, and I didn't really show this one much love um, last fall, so I think I'm going to do that today. I'm going to pick it up 3 times and I am going to reverse stamp it and I'm going to pick up with Acorn B498 for Maniology. So it has some leaves within it. And I like the image below it too, but like I said, I didn't really use this one that I can remember, so figured, well, let me do that. And I'll do that 2 more times and be right back. So don't get me wrong, I do have other plates outside of Maniology. Um, I just really like to use Maniology plates and see what all they come out with. I am a creature of habit, so when I find something that works for me, I just stick with it. Okay, next I'm going to go to Maniology M076. By the way, I did pick up a really cute plate that I'll be using for Halloween from another brand. So, okay, I want to use this image, except, okay, it does have a layering part. I particularly don't really like the leaf portion because they're solid here and they almost look solid here to me. So what I think I'm going to do is pick the pumpkins up in Acorn, pick the leaves up in a shimmery green color, and then just reverse stamp the pumpkins. I think it'll just be easier in the long run. So for the leaves, I want to go to Poison B309. It's a very pretty green. So I'm going to apply Acorn first because I kind of feel like shimmers typically dry a bit faster. Okay. Sure, I don't have any on that brush. Okay, we can do work with that. I'm just gonna get that bottom portion off. And I did do that twice. Okay, we're gonna start with reverse stamping this image. And for the leaves, I thought it'd be pretty to bring in the shimmery green. This one's just a regular polish. This one was the stamping polish, and I thought those would match well enough. It's just an old one I have from it was from Five and Below, so I don't use it on my nails. Currently, I decided I'll just use it for reverse stamping. It says it's called Dark Matter. And by the way, I meant to say, um, because I got distracted and I'm sorry, Maniology is going to come out with fall plates. I just meant I wish that I would have some sooner because I'll be doing, getting into Halloween before too long. Crazy, right? Okay. And also, I do apologize. I haven't been doing fall manis. I have other things I was doing, and I have other plates would also like to use as well. So I'm trying to decide how I'm going to fit things in before Halloween gets here. Some of these leaves are a bit difficult to see. Actually, sometimes I can see them better on the camera than I can in real time. Or, I mean, in my vision, I'm sorry. So this color is a bit watery, I guess you could say. So I'm having to kind of pack it on there. So I'll go through and do all of the leaves and be right back. Okay, I got all the leaves done on those three. I wish you guys could sense some fall weather because it is still hot here. Okay, for the pumpkins, I'm gonna do two different colors. So I'm gonna go with Sally Hansen Instant Dry Time Warmth 357. So I'll just start with that one before I bring out the other one. So I'm gonna do just a few of them. Let's see. Sometimes I tap and sometimes I'll just kind of brush it down. It depends on how the polish is feeling to me. So I think I'm gonna do these two as well and be back for the other color. Okay, and the next color I'm gonna bring in is Paparazzi Dandelion Fuzz. I just thought this would be a pretty color to add with it. Should be a pinch lighter than the other tone, but I feel like you can't really tell it here. Also, the stems are showing, so I can do those as well. Okay, so I'll finish and be back. Okay, and I'm just using Candy Moyo 952 for the stems. Okay, I'm gonna look at this. And those three are the same. Okay, and these two, gonna do the same thing. Just alternate my color. Gonna go ahead and do the other one while I have polish and be back. I apologize. I got distracted and accidentally colored one in that was supposed to be the other color. So I went ahead and did both of them like that so they'll match. Okay, I decided I'm going to go ahead and apply these with the matte top coat, just because since the leaves have the shimmer to them, I'll keep the rest like a matte. So what I can say is that image is too uh, not wide enough for these tips. So I will have to do something to fix that. So probably like add more leaves or something. Now, sometimes I can stretch them, but maybe I just didn't press enough to stretch. No. because I'm pressing more on this one, but on that one side it's not it's not gonna reach at all. So I will have to fix that one as well. Okay, so the pinky nail's small, so it reached fine. Okay, so I've just taken some random leaves from here to finish that off. So I have to do that on this one and at the bottom and on this side and be back. So I just moved up to this portion. I'll show you real quick. Just taking them and placing them. And then I'll do that bottom right there and that'll be just fine. Okay, and I got these last two. So definitely want to try to get the pumpkins on here. So this leaf isn't making it on there. So if that happens, just apply a little bit more of whatever you're using to apply the image. So in my case, I'm using the that matte top coat. So I'm just going to apply a little bit more here to make that stick. And I think there's one right up here at the top too. Okay. So this one, and there's a little baby one, because these other pieces are just little random pieces. Okay, and last one. And that's the thing with the matte top coat is you've got to really get it timed just right. And sometimes that is hard to do. Okay, so this is still one of these right here that does not want to get on. And that's okay. I'll just do the same thing if I can't get it. And then if you wanted to add anything else, you could, you could definitely go through adding some leaves. And I am going to add one up here. So I will do that and be back. Okay, and I also added one right here. Okay, and I did the exact same to the other one as well. Added another leaf. And if you didn't want to do all of them, you could just do a couple or just do an accent nail. Totally up to you. So my first fall pumpkin mini of the season, even though it doesn't feel like fall outside anyway. I love fall time though. But thank you so very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. I will list the Maniology products I used in the description box. And until the next one, have a blessed day, my friends. Bye.